Welcome to WizzKidz TV. We're going to melt some fairy floss. Let's see what's hiding inside. I wonder what was inside the fairy floss. Let's find out. It's a penguin. Let's do another one. I wonder what's inside this one. Let's see what it is. Do you know what this is? Yes, it's a cow. Let's melt this one now. It's the color pink. Let's put it inside the water. I wonder what animal this is. Do you know? Yes, it's a giraffe. Well done. Let's put another fairy floss ball into the water. I wonder what animal was hiding inside. It's a baby dog, a little puppy. We have a blue fairy floss. Let's melt it in the water. It looks like yes, a lizard. It's a gray lizard. Let's do another one. Are you ready to drop it in the water? Let's see what's inside. It's a zebra. We have a zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.